Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to explain the Pythagoras theorem. As you know, Pythagoras theorem is very important in geometry, in everywhere in science. Please look here. Pythagoras lived in Greece between 580 BC and 500 BC. He states that Pythagoras theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the sum of the squares of the smaller two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. In a right-angled triangle, this is a right-angled triangle. A right-angled triangle means one angle is 90 degree. The side lying opposite to this angle is called 90 degree is called hypotenuse. The other two sides are smaller two sides. This is the largest or biggest side in a right angled triangle. The other two sides are smaller sides. Pythagoras told that sum of the square of the smaller two sides, and sum of the squares of smaller two sides equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Then mathematically we can say that this is hypotenuse, one is base, the other is height. Standing vertically is called height, and horizontally is called base, we can say. Then hypotenuse square equals base square plus height square. Then AC hypotenuse, AC square equals AB square. AB is the base and BC is the height square. That's all about Pythagoras theorem. Then a problem. What is the importance of this theorem is, if we know two sides, we can find the other two sides. Other side. There are only three sides. If we know any two sides, we can find the third side. For example, a problem. In a right-angled triangle ABC, angle B equals 90 degree. AB equals 12 centimeter, BC equals 5 centimeter. Find the length of AC. Solution. This is the figure. In a right angle triangle, B is right angle at B. Then AB is given that AB equals 12, BC equals 5. Then AB equals 12, BC equals 5. Find out AC. AC square equals AB square plus BC square. 12 square plus 5 square. 12 into 12, 144. 5 into 5, 25. Then sum of these two gives 169. That is AC square. So to find the AC, we have to find out the square root of 169. So AC equals root of 169 equals 13 centimeter. That is the length of hypotenuse. If two sides are 12 and 5, the third side is 13 centimeter. That's all about Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.